Cheers! Cheers!
Yeah.
You want cheers, Keira? Cheers, Keira! Cheers!
Cheers! Sit down.
What's up, beautiful people? I am officially 16 now.
Oh my gosh, sweet 16, the sweetest 16.
Sweetest. We've had so much fun the past few days celebrating our sweet girl, and I cannot believe that you are 16 years old now.
I can't believe it either.
So wild.
So grown up. It goes by so fast. I know that that's just like a thing that people say, but it's so true. It's so true. So we've been having some fun celebrating her. We got to celebrate down in Florida a little bit, and then her birthday is actually on Tuesday, so we've been celebrating here as well.
We like to really stretch things out, you know, you have your birthday month, so it's pretty...
Yeah, I had my birthday week.
Basically a whole week, and that was really fun. We did multiple things that Keira really wanted to do. The canoeing was something we did for really kind of Liam and Keira, so I'm going to insert some more footage of that because from the girls' perspective, I just think it was so much fun, and you girls did really good.
I got really burnt though.
Yeah, we did.
We all kind of did.
We did. We used some sunscreen, but we were out there for hours, like 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, it was a long one.
It was a long afternoon.
3 miles, you know. So.
Yeah, but it was
in
so
addition
fun.
to the actual time at the water hole.
Yeah, it was like 3 miles down. By the end of it, the kids were like, "Are we almost back?" Because it was a long ways. But the kids did really well, and I'm really proud of you girls because the girls were in the canoe on their own, and so they were just figuring it out themselves. And it was really cute. There was a couple moments where we could hear screaming. Like
it was a constant power struggle.
Yeah. You got it. It takes a lot of teamwork to like steer it and stuff. So, and then
my favorite part though was whenever like I look over and you're just like laying out under the sun, like, just soaking in the rays.
That was when I finally got a break and gave it to Penny.
It was awesome. I would just look over and I was like, that's the way to do it.
Yeah, the girls kind of rotated and took turns, and there would be some times where they'd like be just kind of laying out. Yeah. And Lincoln even fell asleep on the canoes too. So it was really relaxing and fun. Another thing that we did that was just for the girls is that we did swimming with the dolphins. And honestly,
I'm so jealous of that. Yeah, I wanted to do that because I wanted to be a marine biologist when I was a kid. Like ever since I watched Free Willy. Make fun of me all you want, but like I wanted to be a marine biologist, and so you guys getting to go do that was like so cool. Yeah. So jealous.
It was, but the downside to it was that it had rained really hard the night before, and so there was kind of a cold front, so it was pretty chilly, and the water's normally super crystal clear.
The water was really warm though. It was cold outside.
Yeah, actually jumping in the water, the girls were like, it feels better in the water than out of the water. But you couldn't really see through the water because it had been raining the night before. He said it kind of stirred things up, so we did see dolphins, and they were pretty close by, but he said normally if you go swimming with the dolphins, you can see them like swimming underneath you and around you and that kind of thing. So all of us kind of just decided that next time we go down, we're gonna make sure that it's warm, make sure it hasn't been raining, and then the whole family can do some swimming with the dolphins because that will be really fun. But you girls still had a pretty good time, right?
Yeah, it was really fun. I was so excited to see dolphins because it's kind of one of those things that you're like, I know that they're real, but I don't feel like they are because I've never seen them. And I saw them, I was like,
yeah, we all started screaming when we started seeing them for the first time, and then the girls just jumped in, and I stayed on the boat and filmed, and that was kind of my excuse. But next time I'll definitely jump in with you girls.
I think the guide was laughing at us.
He was getting a kick out of it because we were all just so excited, and just it was a pretty funny time. So
it was fun.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
Alrighty.
Oh my god, we slowed down.
I hate to see y'all in a real roller coaster place, you know? I mean, theme park. This is like the little kiddie ride right now.
So we spotted some dolphins, guys, and we can jump in with them if we get close enough. I'm so excited. Oh, look at them. Oh my gosh, did you see it just coming out of the water? Oh my my gosh, did you see it? Oh my gosh, that was like 3 of them. Wow. Look at that, guys. You see them right there? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're all so close. Oh my gosh. Penny, you guys could totally jump in here. Oh my goodness. That one just like totally flipped its spin. Oh my gosh.
We look by rotation.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. That one's his tail. Yeah, it keeps like, wow. Oh my gosh,
Y'all
look at
ready to
that.
get in? You're more than welcome to. My job's a little harder today because the sun's not out. I can't track them as well.
Yeah.
The idea is to get you in front of them, so we can definitely get you in front of them, let you drop in the water, and let them come past you.
Yeah, look at
You want to do it?
I got
Do it?
baskets in the basket.
Oh my
You're more than
gosh.
welcome to use. We'll find one that's comfortable for you. I don't really recommend the snorkel part. If you like to snorkel, go for it. Use your snorkel if you want to.
All right. Jump.
There you
Oh,
go.
I'm ready. Oh my God.
Come in with me.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's go. You got this.
Go first.
Woo. Go quick. Go quick. Woo.
Stick your head underwater and listen for them. They may be making a lot of noise. Looks like they got past you.
Oh yeah, they're over there now.
Fighting, y'all. I'm sorry.
I hate salty water.
You guys were so close to them. Oh my gosh!
We're cold.
The girls are cold now, so we have a little blanket here. We're gonna dry off for a minute and then maybe go check out this island over there. That's really cool. Y'all guys did amazing though. That was so cool. We got pretty close. And he was the first one to jump in.
I'm the ones out going.
We're thawing out in the car. Comment down below if you think Greece is beautiful. We're eating bread bowls in the car, guys, because we are so cold from the boat ride. Got really cold at the end there, so we were starving. We're eating bread bowls. This is what Keira wanted to do. She was like, I haven't had a bread bowl in about 10 years. It's like broccoli cheddar soup in bread. It's delightful. Also in Florida, Keira really wanted to make her own birthday cake.
Oh my god.
It's hard to do in the RV, and so we were like, we have one more day at the Airbnb before we leave. So we ran to the store, and she had a recipe picked out, and she made it all herself.
It was so good.
So good.
I made a really cute yellow cake that had buttercream frosting and raspberry jam in the middle with strawberries on top.
It was so cute and so good. And Steven's camera malfunctioned and we lost all of the footage of singing happy birthday to her. But Keira actually filmed it on her phone too.
Yeah.
So we can put that footage in here. It was so fun. It was like the perfect way to end.
There's little poppers.
Yeah, the little poppers and everything. And then we went over to the hub, which is like right across the street from where we were staying. It has all these restaurants and we were able to just eat dinner together. And it was so fun. It was like the perfect ending to our little vacation / birthday celebration and all of that.
I got to drink a pina colada out of a pineapple.
Yes, that
It was so good. Yeah.
She's like obsessed with pina coladas lately.
She is.
A virgin pina colada.
The lady was like, I can't make you a cake, but here you go, and gives her like all the pineapple from the pineapple with a bunch of whipped cream on top.
It was good.
Really funny.
Yeah, you're a pineapple fan for sure.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keira. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make a wish.
You better blow it out before the fairies agree.
Oh wait, don't we supposed to use that? Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I can't do a birthday cake, but I can do birthday pineapple.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
You're welcome.
It's like huge. Oh my gosh. What do you think? You good? Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's so funny. Now kick.
Pina colada is my favorite drink because I like pretty things.
Good. Yeah. Inside. Oh my gosh. I was like, what voice is that?
Bye. I love you so much. Give me a kiss. You got some helium.
I love you so much. Give me one more hug. I just want to forever. You should just come home with me. Just drive home with me.
You can't keep him.
Go in my car. Don't be crying because that's dangerous. I cry every time. I cry every time.
And then back here, since her birthday's on Tuesday, we were able to kind of have, she and Steven had like a little daddy-daughter date, and then obviously we had some time together too, doing coffee and smoothies and all of that. And Steven really wanted to surprise her because she had posted
I was so surprised
a while back about this really cute little cake that she'd seen on Instagram, and she's like, this is the cutest thing. And so Steven went to the bakery that we go to a lot of times for the kids' birthdays, and he was like, I know we already did a birthday cake, but I really want to surprise her with this one that she had talked about on Instagram, and they made it exactly.
It was exactly the way it was.
Yeah.
I was so surprised.
Yeah, it was so fun and so cute. So we were able to have 2 birthday cakes and do some celebration here as well, and some Italian food for dinner, and just all of the good things. So I feel like this was like a really fun way to kind of break it up and have a little bit of both worlds. You know, have some stuff at home, have some stuff in Florida.
It was really fun.
It was so fun. And next year we'll be in our house, not in an RV.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Don't say that.
We were supposed to be in the house by now.
Yeah. Next year for sure, on your birthday, we'll be in the house.
Don't say for sure.
Don't say not for sure.
Don't jinx it. Not good for Micah.
They're actually working on the house right now. I don't know if you guys can hear like all the stuff in the background. Can y'all guys see there? We have an update coming very soon on house stuff because there is actually a lot that is happening. So we'll show that in the next vlog, but without further ado, we're going to show you all of this cute footage of our girl's birthday! 16th birthday.
Roll that beautiful birthday footage. All right, meeting Keira and Mom, who are on a mommy-daughter date here, because we got her some flowers, and we got her some pink tulips and daisies. There's 16 there and 1 to grow on. So we have another surprise for you in here.
Wow, what a thoughtful dad. Where?
In this place right here.
She was like, where are you? I was like, oh, I just need to stop.
It's someplace. Yeah. That's all. Something real easy.
I want to see it up close because I didn't know so cute. This is the one that she saw on Instagram. She's like, I want this cake.
She posted last week, she said, if somebody got me this cake and some flowers, I would literally die.
Look how cute.
And I was like, well, I want you to live, but I'd like you to have a good birthday too. Oh my gosh.
Look at the little paws on the front. That's so cute. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
It smells so good, dude.
Love it.
Smells so good. Let us eat some food.
Hey, who's to say that I can't be your little girl that rides on your back everywhere? Okay?
Kira's gonna have a birthday ride.
Let me carry this little kid.
You hold Dinky's hand. There we go. It's so cute. Yeah, it's rainy today. She's like, carry me present.
I just wrote a post about how she's not my little girl, I still carry her on my shoulders anymore. And she was like, I can be.
Yeah, we can still do this.
I cannot believe we have a 16-year-old, another one.
I know.
Oh, Lord.
This is going by too fast.
That math isn't adding up. I'm 25, you're 23.
I know. How do we have a
working for me.
16-year-old?
People taking that literally.
They'll be like, really? I thought you were young.
What? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Keira. Happy birthday to you.
That's birthday hugs for all.
Hey, let's see you try this.
He's like, I just want the cake.
Aww. Hi, Reese. Reese is FaceTiming in. Kira's got a friend FaceTiming in as well. That's so cute. Y'all guys, do you like her cake? Isn't that so cute? You're gonna like it even more when you eat it. It's gonna be so yummy.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Let me hold it.
I love the little paws
Oh,
too.
that's like legit, like just straight up.
Let me hold it. Sorry.
Lincoln's like, wow.
Here, let me cut it.
You want to try a bite? We're gonna get some for everybody, Linky.
Dad got vanilla yellow cake with raspberry, which is my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, that was bigger
delicious.
than I meant to cut it.
That's huge.
That was a lot bigger than I meant to cut it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy.
That looks delightful. Lincoln's like, yes, that's my kind of cake.
I said, how many layers is it? They were like one layer of raspberry. I said, okay, let's just hear me out. Can you slice those in half?
Yeah.
Three
Lots of layers.
of red
Wow.
jam.
Wow.
They're like, yes.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, that's a good size for you. Oh, say thank you. Aw, Kira's serving everyone else first. That's so sweet, Keira, and that's also so typical of your personality to take care of everyone.
Is it good?
Lincoln doesn't know what to think of it. Have you tried it yet?
Grace, are you jealous?
Wow. Purple icing and all, huh? Ooh. Do you like it? Is it good, Lincoln? Oh, you're gonna get kisses. Says, I love you, sister.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.